So AQI is an index for reporting air quality on daily basis. It is a measure of how air pollution affects one's health within short time period. The purpose of AQI is to help people know how the local air quality impact their health. Now, Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) calculates AQI for 5 major air pollutants. So these are the pollutants. सबसे पहला है हमारा ग्राउंड लेवल ओजोन, पार्टिकुलेट पॉल्यूशन और PM2.5 और PM10, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड है, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड है, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. So higher the AQI value, the greater the level of air pollution and greater the health concern. The concept of AQI has been widely used in many developed countries for the last 3 decades. AQI quickly disseminates air quality information in real time. So these are the levels and value of index. Green, when considered between 0 to 15, is considered good. Yellow, 51 to 100, moderate. Orange, 100 to 150. Red, unhealthy है, 151 to 200. Some members of general public may experience health effects. Members of sensitive groups may experience more serious health effects. Purple, 201 to 300. यहाँ पे देखिए आपको हेल्थ अलर्ट मिल जाता है. एंड मैरून, that is more than 300 or higher. So health warning of emergency condition. It's an emergency condition. Everyone is more likely to be affected. So in India, the primary organization that tracks the air quality index is Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. The CPCB is a statutory organization under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Now these are some information regarding CPCB. In the year it was established under Water Prevention Control of Pollution Act 1974. For the CPCB was entrusted with the power and function under Air Prevention Control of Pollution Act 1981. So these are the things. And beside this, CPCB automatic monitoring station ये न्यू दिल्ली में है. एंड ये सब सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकुलर मैटर, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, ओजोन, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड, suspended particle matter are being monitored regularly. This information on air quality ITU is updated every week. It also in charge for water quality monitoring 14 major river. So here we can understand one thing. The current PM10 level in Siliguri based on average air quality level across the city is 76 this meter cube, making it acceptable but sensitive. तो WHO guidelines कहाँ तक परमिट करता है? 45 this meter cube, 45. Now 2.5 जो लेवल है उसका लिमिट है 15 this meter cube. Now कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड का लिमिट है 3490 ppb. And of SO2 is 15.27. Similarly, of NO2 is 13.29. And of ozone is 50.96 ppb. So coming to this question of UPSC 2016, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the वैल्यू ऑफ एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स? तो इसका आंसर देखते हैं. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या था? नहीं था. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड यस. नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड यस. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड यस. मीथेन था? नहीं. तो इसका आंसर होगा 2, 4 and 2, 3 and 4 ओनली. सो एक और क्वेश्चन है जो कि आपको 2022 में आया था यूपीएससी. तो ये PYQ है. पहला स्टेटमेंट देखिए. In the context of WHO air quality guidelines, consider the following statement. 24-hour mean of PM2.5 should not exceed this 15 meter cube, and annual mean of 5 PM2.5 should not exceed this. In the year, the highest level of ozone pollution can be during the periods of inclement weather. ऐसा नहीं होता है. PM10 can penetrate lung barrier and enter the blood stream. नहीं, blood stream ये नहीं जाएगा आपका. PM2.5 can enter our blood stream और ये आपके लंग बैरियर तक ही आएगा. एंड यहाँ के बाद स्टेटमेंट गलत है. एक्सेसिव ओजोन इन द एयर कैन ट्रिगर अस्थमा. यस, दिस इज करेक्ट. सो इसका आंसर होगा आपका सिर्फ 1 and